Hey, what's up, y'all? Right now, what I'm doing is I'm on the machine called the S Drive. All right, this is a machine. It's kind of like a treadmill, but the one thing that it doesn't have is a motor. You're the own motor for this machine right here, so you actually have to push that tread down, and because of that, it's going to give you a natural stride as if you were walking on an incline outside versus on an incline on a treadmill. When on your treadmill, as soon as you put that foot down on the ground, you're automatically being pulled back with that tread versus on the S Drive, it's just you, your own body. You actually have to push and pull that tread backwards. For just the walk, you're gonna wanna make sure that both dials, this one and this one, are all the way down. Even at the lowest resistance, it's already pretty hard. For me, for example, I usually cool down or warm up 3 minutes at a time for those legs and some cardio. For just the walk, you're gonna wanna make sure that both dials, this one and this one, are all the way down. Even at the lowest resistance, it's already pretty hard. For me, for example, I usually cool down or warm up 3 minutes at a time. Try to do this one without holding those rails here, just as if you're walking normally up a hill. If you need to, if it's too hard, if you can't make it the entire time, you go ahead and hold onto those rails for a little bit of assistance. You want to make sure you eventually work yourself up to where you're doing it without holding those rails. Because you're actually having to push that tread at the same incline, which this is about a 7-degree incline. If you're about a 7-degree incline on a treadmill and going at the same pace, you're actually going to burn a little bit more calories using the S Drive. And it's also going to make you use a little bit more of those calf muscles because you're actually going to have to push that tread a little bit more than if you were on a treadmill.